cut out most to the right size because of I'm using a frame. I had to make it slightly bigger. I taped it so I'll tape it strong, and then my friend will be able to cut the shape and screw it onto it, and it will strengthen it for the barn owl box. Find someone to give it to. That's it. I'm gonna put a door there so people can clean it out. That's the entrance for the barn owl. I'm probably going to put slate on the roof and at the sides, like that. I'll get wood for the front. It kind of slants in. It's narrow up here and it's wider at the bottom. So I taped it, so I'll tape it all to make it strong, and then I will screw the stuff on and I will strengthen it, and hopefully it'll be strong enough. Again, I have to put the floor in it too. I got wood for that. Anyway, that's it. Barn owl nest box. Get more wood. It's getting there. That will through the door. That's going to be the door there. I'm going to take that bit that I taped on and put it this full size, and have to get the wood split there. So that's going to be the bottom. Two halves. That's going to be the bottom, and then I'll do that for one of the sides because it's split. That's the side there. Go up there, and I have to get two by one for that gap there, and at the back and a wee bit at the top there. There are two by one, two. So one length should do, and then those two halves will be the bottom. But it's getting there, and then I have to get a wee bit for just there, and that's going to be up there. It's going to be the entrance for the barn owl box. And I'm going to slate this. Slates. It's got to get 6 more slates for the front. I'm going to cover it all in slates so it's waterproof. There's the slates there. So it's going to be waterproof. Barn owl nest box is getting there. Got out most of the pieces. Just have to do the floor. That's plank for the floor. The inside. And the slates to go on the roof. That's it. Got a door there. I'm going to put that in, and that gap, and that gap, and there's just the hole to go in. Barn owl nest box. To warn people, if you're making a barn owl nest box, make sure you make it somewhere you can get out the door. I just realised if I put it together, I won't be able to get out the door, so I have to find somewhere else to finish it. But it's coming on. That's the floor. That's going in there. Cut out the floor. And that's going to be for it to land on. I'm going to maybe leave that there and there, so it has a perch. So it's getting there, and I have to cut a bit out for there, cut a wee bit off there, and take that block that I taped there and make that for the door. That has to be filled in, that wee gap there. And there's an entrance just up there, if you can see it. But yeah, a barn aisle to go into. So it's getting on. And I'm leaving those out there so they can screw it onto a shed. So there's something, so I'm screwing that onto the back. I'm going to cover it in slits. So to make it waterproof. Anyway, it's coming on. Of course, a friend is gone to Ghana and he's put his phone on silent. So so I was gonna ask him could I do it in his yard. My other friend, she doesn't answer her messages, so I'll have to wait until I see them. Anyway, I'll see what happens. Anyway, Brackney from Birdwatch Ireland said he will take it when it's finished. So, anyway, trying to help the barn owl. Oh.